Okay, now that we've learned about balance, we're gonna today learn how to draw a minion, or we're gonna draw one together. So you'll need a pencil and eraser. I'm gonna use a Sharpie so you can see what to draw. But also, as you're watching the video, if you need to pause the video or rewind it to redo something or to catch up, you can do that. Alright, so what we want to do is have our paper the long way in front of us, and then about halfway up from the middle, right in this area here, we're going to draw the eyes. So minions either have one eye or two eyes. So that's up to you. If you want to do a one-eye minion, that's fine. I'm going to do a two-eye minion. So what I want to do is in this area right here, I'm going to draw my two eyes. So I want to draw two circles, kind of big, right beside each other. And you want them to almost touch right in the middle there. Okay, and it's alright if you mess up there a little bit, because we're going to go back and double it up, make it thicker. Okay, and then we're going to connect them together in the middle. And then on the inside here, we're going to draw another circle. So these are going to be the goggles on our minion. Alright, and then you can color this in. Of course, if you wanted to, you could do this in a color too. I'm just doing it in black because that's kind of the traditional minion. Okay, now we need to draw his eyeballs. I'm going to draw two smaller circles in here for his eyeballs. One there, one there. Okay, and I drew him down toward the bottom of the circle. Alright, then we're going to color that in, except for one little spot right here in the corner. Look at that. And the white right there, just for a reflection in his eye. Okay, so we got the eyes. Alright, now we're going to draw the top of the head. So it's good that you do this in pencil, because then you can draw the hair, and you might need to do a little erasing. But anyway, you're going to start on this side. We're just going to draw a big curve around the top of the head and back over to this side. So kind of right in line here. You're going to go straight up, kind of curve around, and then back down. Okay, so it's sort of flat on top. It's not real round. Okay. Alright, so we got that. Now what we're going to do is, if you want to, you could think about the hair now, or we can go back and do that later. I think I'll wait and go and do that later. Down here under the eyes, we're going to do a smile, or a mouth. So there's a lot of different ways you can draw the mouth. I'm just going to draw a simple mouth, like that. Alright, and then what we want to do is we want to draw the line here, just extend that down past the mouth. So it's kind of like right in line with the bottom of the mouth. Okay. Alright, so right here is where the strap for his overalls would be at. So we're going to draw a line right here. Kind of curve like that down. And then one on this side. Curve that down. Like that. And then we're going to connect this together in the middle. Right there. Okay. Alright, then we're going to round off the corner here. So do a little hook. That. Another little hook on this side, and then we're going to draw down to there. If you want to, you can draw a little button right here, or actually this will be down here. Draw a button down here, and one over here, and then kind of loop around that dot right there. You don't have to do that one there, that was kind of a mistake. But Alright. Now, on the side, their arms stick out here, so we're gonna draw some arms right here on this side and this side. And you can decide what you want your arms to be doing. Are they waving, or are they just at their side, or whatever? I'm gonna make one side look like he's waving, and then the other side, I'm gonna go down this way. Okay, so what we want to do, first of all, this line right here, we're gonna extend that out a little bit, come down, out like that. We want to stop so we're right in line right here. same on this side. We're gonna go out, down, and right in line right there. So this is where the arm is gonna come out from. Okay, so we want to go down just a little bit, and then we're gonna go back around and draw a line up that way. So it's just kind of a J hook line right there. Alright, and then on this side, starting at his overalls right here, I'm gonna go up a little bit, and then just kind of follow that line around right here, like that. Okay, and then the same thing on this side. I'm gonna go down just a little, then out, and hook down this way, and then we're gonna start here. We're gonna go up a little bit, and then hook down this way. So their arms are kind of long, so we want to keep them long. Minions are wearing gloves, so we want to show the gloves. So we're going to draw a straight line across right here, kind of a, not exactly straight, but just a little curved line right there. And then we're going to do in like this a little bit. So we have the two lines going in, and then Minions have 3 fingers on their hands. So we got a thumb, so we're going to have a thumb sticking out, and then two kind of waving high. Alright, and then on this side we're going to do the same thing, a little bit of a curve, kind of come in a little bit right there, and then out for the thumb, and then 2 lines like that, or 2 fingers like that. Okay, now what we need to do is from here and here, we're going to draw another curved line that's like the bottom of his pants. It's going to come around and back up to here. Down, around, and back up. You want it to be kind of flat on the bottom here, kind of like you did at the top. So it's kind of that shape. Alright, right here in the middle he has a pocket, so we're going to draw that. So straight line across, and then we're going to go straight down, like that, and then a little, you could do a curve or you could do a V shape. I think they're actually a V shape there. And then on the inside, he's got the letter G for Gru, right? So we're going to draw the G, so arrow up, arrow down, and then back in that way. So you have the letter G. Okay, down here at the bottom, then we need to add some pant legs. So we're going to draw 2 straight lines down here. 2 straight lines here, just real short. They have short stubby legs. Do a little bit of a curve on the bottom to connect those. Alright, and then we need to draw some feet. So this is how I draw feet for Minions. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line down on this side, and then another straight line down on this side. And they wear shoes with heels, so we're going to make the heels right here. So we're going to do a little line there, a little line there. Go back up just a little bit. So that's the heel. And then we're going to make the feet come out here, around, and back up. So we're going to start here, go down, around, and back up. Down, around, and back up. Okay, so we got his feet. The last thing we need to do now is we need to think about the hair. So you can decide how you want to do this. Oh, we did forget one thing on his goggles right here. We need to do the strap going over to the side of his head. So we're going to draw the strap here on both sides. You can kind of curve that right there on the end so it looks like it wraps around the back of his head, and then you can color that in. Again, if you want to color this a different color than black, you can do that. All Minions are different, so it's nice to have a little variation. Alright, so hair, you can do lots of different ways. I'm just going to do some spiky hair. So I'm just going to draw some lines around the outside here. Okay, you could also do girl's hair. There are girl Minions. If you want to draw some kind of girl hair, you could do that. The other thing we need to do is give him some pockets on his jeans here. So we're just going to do 2 curves here. 1, 2. Okay. Alright, so that's our Minion all drawn. We're going to use this for another project. So what you need to do right now is color this all in. And again, you can change the colors on them and draw them however you want to. And just get it all colored in. If you want to outline it with a black marker or Sharpie, that would be good too, because we're going to be doing some tracing on top of this on the next project. Alright, hope it turned out good for you. Share your results on Seesaw.